Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this tutorial, we would learn how to apply a 2D area chart in Microsoft Excel. To do this guys, just select the data that you have. Like here, I'm having this one. After selecting, click on Insert and then in this charts group, you have area charts, line and area charts. Now here you have 2D area charts. Just click on that. After clicking, you have your charts available on your screen. From here you can adjust the size of the chart or you can select or drag it guys. Now as you can see, this color represents sales of Jack, Sam and Jim, and here is the price. Okay. Now when you select this chart guys, then you have two table, design and format. Here in design you can change the style of chart, color of chart, okay, layout of the chart, or the elements you can change. And when you double click on this chart, then a window comes from right of your screen where you can do the additional changes. That's all for today guys. Thank you.
If you really like the content, then please like the video and click subscribe to see more videos like this. And don't forget to share this video with others. You can find the link to complete basics to advanced Excel tutorial in the description below, or you can visit mahagurus.com to see lots of other software courses. Thank you.